like pina coladas, you're gonna love this virgin vegan pina colada recipe. And it doesn't involve coconut cream from a can. I show you how to make your own coconut cream for the recipe very easily at healthypinacolada.com. I have here already my coconut cream that I created. So to that, it goes to the blender. We got 3/4 cup of fresh squeezed pineapple juice. A lot of ice or a little, it's depending on how you like it. So we got about 1/2 cup of ice in there and 1 cup of frozen pineapple chunks and a spoonful of Marcus Sweet, his sweetener, or any sweetener you like. Personally, I prefer that. And then we run it for a second. Okay? Now we glass it. Woo! So here is our pina colada. I'm gonna put the cherry on top, pineapple wedge. You can find this recipe in our cookbook on page 60. You can find the cookbook at healthycookbook.com. You can find the full visual recipe with technique for the pina colada at healthypinacolada.com. And if you please will forgive me, I'm gonna go annihilate this right now. It is extremely refreshing. It's so refreshing. I can't wait to eat this.